Okay, let's clear the air then in the industry. A lot of people do get confused between macaron, macaroon. Can you tell us which one is which?
So the thing that we see around all the time now is a macaron. So traditional little biscuit made in France, or originated in France, made with egg white and almond meal. Two little biscuits sandwiched together is the macaron. Whereas the macaroon, I believe, originated more in Europe, it's Italy, and made with coconut. So it's very, very similar in that it's coconut and egg white and sugar. So it's just the nut or the filler that differs. But yeah, macaron and macaroon are very, very different items.
Yum. I love them both.
Yes.
Which one's your favourite?
Well, being older Australian, back in the day, we never had macarons as a kid. They've only been introduced into Australia in the last maybe 20 years. So we never had a macaron. And I used to love macaroon as a kid. You know, coconutty, dollop of jam on top. Mum used to make them, used to get them at the bakery. I used to love a macaroon, and I still do. But knowing the intricacies and the delicateness to make a macaron, I like them pretty much too now.
Yeah.